Hola, ¿cómo estás? Here, Nicolas, your Argentinian Spanish teacher from Buenos Aires. In today's video, I would like to tell you all that I've just opened my new academy. The name of my academy is Spanish Mindset Academy, which is the first Argentinian Spanish academy here on YouTube, and I think everywhere too. So I would like to tell you what you are gonna learn here in my academy, what you are gonna do, what you will achieve with your Spanish working here in my academy, Spanish Mindset Academy. For the last years that I've been working as a Spanish teacher, I have been working with lots of people with lots of different goals towards their Spanish. People that wanted to travel to Mexico, Spain, Panama, Colombia, Argentina, and many different countries. But after a long time working as a Spanish teacher, as a general Spanish teacher, I realized that I liked more to work with people that wanted to come here to Argentina. So then I started to upload videos here on YouTube. I started to work hard here in YouTube. And now this channel is specifically for people that wants to come here to Argentina, start a new life, start a new business here in Argentina, be a new resident, and all you need to know about Argentina. Here in this channel, you can find it. Most of the time I have been working just one-on-one with different people, but then I realized that I wanted to help more people. I wanted to have more students. I wanted to teach more Argentinian Spanish to more people. So that's why I have opened my own academy to learn Argentinian Spanish for beginners. Right now it is just for beginners, for absolute beginners that wants to learn Argentinian Spanish for traveling, for living, or for starting a business here in Argentina. The main thing that you have to know about my academy is that you will start speaking from day one. I focus on developing skills. I think that's the most important thing of all if you want to learn a language, if you want to learn Argentinian language, because you're a traveler. This academy is specifically for travelers and new residents that will be here in Argentina. And I know, because I see it on all my students that I have experienced, that the main thing that you have to achieve with your Spanish is to speak as fast as possible. You will travel to Argentina right now, you're in Argentina right now, so you need to speak right now. And you cannot be waiting until 2-3 years in a regular or normal school that the teacher teaches you past tense, that the teacher teaches you the subjunctive. No, because in real life situations, you have to learn all of these things in the first month, in the first week, or something like that, because it is really important to learn all of this stuff in a way that is pragmatic. That's why here in my academy, my message, my main goal, to make my students learn Argentinian Spanish, because it is specifically for this country. Here in Argentina, we have a new dialect, we don't have a new language, so you need to learn our specific Spanish. My second goal is that you need specifically vocabulary that is important for you as a traveler, for you as a new resident, or for you as a business owner here in Argentina. And this is a super specific topic that you have to learn as fast as possible and as much as you can, because this thing, the traveling vocabulary, is the most important part to learn in a language for a traveler. Not about politics, not about science, not about everything else that is outside of this topic. This is the only thing that is useful in a real trip situation. This is the only thing it is useful when you are coming here in Argentina. You have to start speaking, moving around the Patagonia, moving in Buenos Aires or different places here. And the third and the most important one is that you have to speak from day one. You know, when you're getting here, the first thing that you have to do is to start speaking, because you will not be here wasting your time not speaking, or being just a shy person, or calling someone because you need help with someone else, your girlfriend, your friend, a translator, or your family here in Argentina, and ask them to help you with everything that you need or something like that. I don't think that's a good idea. So that's why I think that speaking from day one is the most important thing of all. So my academy is for people that wants to learn Argentinian Spanish for traveling as fast as possible and start speaking from day one. So right now that you're watching this, I'm going to open a new group lesson for my academy, and this is specifically for beginners, absolute beginners that want to learn Argentinian Spanish for traveling and start speaking from day one. This new group lesson will start on June 10th. It will be 3 days per week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, 11 p.m. Argentina. You will see all the different time zones in the description, also in the link of my webpage. It will be only for 5 people, no more than that. I really want to just focus on these 5 people, make them all speak and be able to travel to Argentina. This will be 6 months long. The reason of this is because I really want to help them to really speak Argentinian Spanish in these 6 months, to be able to travel here and have a great speaking skills. So in my experience, having helped lots of different people to come here to Argentina and start speaking Spanish, I think that the best period of time to learn this language is perfect, just 6 months. So if you would like to join right now, in the description you will find a link there and you can start working with me. It is just for 5 people. So if you do not join right now, more or less in 2-3 days it will be finished. So I recommend you to join right now, otherwise you will miss out on this opportunity to start speaking Argentinian Spanish. If you would like to know more, I have lots of different testimonies. You can see it on my webpage. You can also see it here on my YouTube, where I have many videos with different students, and you can see their point of view, what they think of my academy, what they think of my program. And also I would also like to tell you that I'm also working with one-on-one, which is with a different thing, which is my program, in which in just 4, 1 or 8 months you can start learning Spanish to a very high level, working one-on-one with me and working on your very specific case on what you need. So if you are interested, you can also see it there. So this was all for this video. It was just this that I'm really happy to tell you that I'm just starting my new academy, in which I will only work with people that will travel here to Argentina, and people that want to learn Argentinian Spanish for traveling context as fast as possible and start speaking from day one. You can achieve all of that in just 6 months with this group lesson, just for 5 people that will start on next month. So if you would like to know more, in the description you have everything you need to know. Muchas gracias por ver y nos vemos. Chao, chao. Thanks for watching this video. If you are a beginner and you want to learn Spanish, my book, Mini Stories to Learn Spanish Beginner's Guide, is available on Amazon. If you are looking to learn Spanish to visit Argentina with my program, you can do it. All the details are in the description. Thanks for watching.